Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SEO dashboards in Looker Studio, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining the purpose of your SEO dashboard in Looker Studio. Identify the key performance indicators you want to track. Gather the data sources you will use, which may include Google Analytics, Google Search Console, or other SEO tools. Log into Looker Studio with your Google account. Click on the blank report button to create a new report. Name your report something descriptive, such as SEO dashboard. Connect to your data sources by selecting the Add a Data Source button. Choose your primary data source, for example, Google Analytics, from the list. Authorize Looker Studio to access your Google Analytics account. Select the specific view you want to use for your dashboard data. Add additional data sources if needed by clicking Add a Data Source again. For instance, if you're using data from Google Search Console, repeat the authorization process. Once your data sources are connected, start adding charts and visualizations to your dashboard. Select a chart type that best represents the data you're tracking, like time series, tables, or pie charts. Drag and drop the chosen chart type onto the report canvas. Configure the chart by choosing the appropriate dimensions and metrics from your connected data sources. For example, you might want to show organic traffic by date for a time series chart. Use filters to refine the data displayed in your charts if necessary. Add filters for specific date ranges, traffic sources, or landing pages. Incorporate scorecards to highlight key metrics such as total visits and conversion rates. Style your dashboard by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts to ensure clarity and readability. Use the theme and layout options in the top menu to customize your dashboard's appearance further. Review your dashboard layout to ensure that all elements are easily understandable. Once satisfied, share your dashboard by clicking the Share button at the top right corner. Decide whether to share the link directly or invite specific collaborators by entering their email addresses. Review sharing settings to control access permissions as needed. Finally, save your dashboard and set reminders for updates or reviews to keep your data relevant. This completes the setup of your SEO dashboard in Looker Studio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.